Today I have this USB charging neck fan. Here is the USB port and here is the model number and specification. Okay. The problem of this fan is power button is broken. So today I will try to repair it. First see how I can open it. Here is the screw. I see. Open it. Prying tool. Oh, here is also some screw. Here is 2 screw. Every gadget is a new experience. Opening them is a challenge. So now there are 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. All of them are unscrewed, and now you see I can open it. Something is in here. Okay, I thought maybe there was another screw, but it's not. Okay, main cover is open. The battery is in here. Okay, our main goal is to repair this power button. Easy job, just put it back like this. But here is some problem. This button, when I press it in its position, come back when I release, because the neck is some bending issue. It is bent and I have to apply some heat to put it back in position. Let's try this. Oh, yes, if you have this type of problem, you can use a lighter, but remember that if you give too much heat, it will damage the switch. See, I already burned a little bit, but it is okay. Now it's good in position. So let's assemble it again and check it's working or not. Yes, it's working and it's fantastic. It's working fine. So I have to screw them. One second screw, third screw, and this is screw cover. Nice. It's a easy fix. Thank you for your time. The switch was stuck again, and now I put a spring in here so that when I push this switch, the spring will guide this to stay straight and push it back when I release the screw, like that. But I use this glue, and glue is still not hard, still liquid, so I have to wait few hours. I also put some hot glue on it so it can stay where it should be. Now see how it works. Nice.